Hello, today we have Infiniti Q60, this car from US market and all multimedia system in English language with US map data. We see map of America and we have US radio range. We see only 3 languages. After our works, this multimedia will have 8 European languages and Europe map and normal radio range. Okay, let's start.
Well, the work is done. Now we have European version of the multimedia system. So now you can see working navigation. All the menus, all the functions work. So here you can choose country, Poland, Czech Republic, Germany, and 40 more European countries. Camera, everything works fine. The front camera is not clean. What else? Radio. Now it has a European step. Buttons on the steering wheel works fine too. So as you can see, everything is fine. If you need to do conversion of your Infiniti with Infiniti InTouch system from European market to American or from American to European, we can help you. Just contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. Many thanks for watching. Goodbye and stay safe.